When we look up at sky at night, we see so many stars. Some glow brightly, others dim. During the day also these stars will be there, but we cannot see those because of very bright light of sun. These stars are very far from Earth, so they appear tiny. Sun and moon appear larger because they are near to Earth. The sun, moon and all the objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot and are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they discharge in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. Sun is also a star. Various patterns are formed by different group of stars. These are called constellations. There is a star named pole star, which is also called North Star, was used by ancient people to determine directions during night. The stars which do not have their own heat and light are called planets. Satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. The sun, planets, satellites, asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system, also called as solar family, with sun as its head. The sun is the center of the solar system. Sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. Sun is 150 km away from the earth. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All 8 planets of the solar system move around the Sun in fixed path called orbits. Earth is third nearest planet to Sun. It is slightly flattened at the poles, that is why its shape is described as geoid. Probably only Earth has conditions favorable to support life. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. Moon is the only satellite of Earth. It is near to Earth, so appear bigger than many of the stars. These are tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. Scientists think that asteroids are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. Small pieces of rocks which moves around the Sun are called meteorites. Our galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Our universe is made up of millions of such galaxies.